Ever wonder what fits inside a Western Spirit dry bag? When you arrive for a Western Spirit trip, we're gonna give you one of these. Everything you're gonna need for your trip is gonna go right in here. I'll add my thermoride. I got my tent. Got my big sleeping bag. I'm gonna stuff this all the way to the bottom. I got a nice puffy layer for when it gets cold, some rain gear. I've got some soap for the solar shower. Got my bags with my clothing, both for camp and for riding. Got my headlamp, spare water bottle, a book, and my journal. And that is about it. So now all my gear is protected from dust and protected from water, and I am ready to go ride my bike.